A while ago, I had a message that there's a van load with a lot of Igbos traveling from Nigeria, and they have already crossed the border in Sogakope heading to Accra, Ghana. It is very, very alarming the rate at which Igbos are doing things right now and running to Ghana. Now, let me just send this word of caution out there. You guys think that Ghana is an easy ground to enter. Let me tell you that we really don't want to have all you guys Igbos running to Ghana instead of going back to your eastern or northeast or southwest, whatever you call it, in Nigeria to build that place. We really do not want to encounter you guys with your arrogance, with your way of disrespecting people and trying to talk back at people. We really don't want to have anything to do with you people now. No, so when I saw the van and I was being given the information out there, I was like, you know what? Just get me enough information as to what is going on. Now, Ebuja, let me tell you.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. Well, the news I brought to you this afternoon is really disturbing because this fake Igbo king, I thought everything has subsided and he has learned his lesson, but it seems like he have not learned anything new. So the news that got to us this very afternoon is that fake Igbo king allegedly, yes, brought huge numbers of Igbos from Nigeria to Ghana. Today they entered. Yes, allegedly. Mauna no come, they knock me, or they tell me rubbish on top my own channel. And they tell una. So let's get right into the video so you guys will have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. But this matter, no be small thing, no be small thing, because the way Ghanaians are taking this matter, no be for here, guys. Let's get right into it, and definitely I will be right back.
A while ago, I had a message that there's a van load with a lot of Igbos traveling from Nigeria, and they have already crossed the border in Sogakope heading to Accra, Ghana. Now, I have questions, and when you see me here and you see me, I want to talk about this, and it means that I'm getting the feelers and I want to make sure I bring those ones out. The last time when I was making a video, I said something, and I said something that I'm calling on Togbi Afede. The border is in his region, and at least he need to do something to help, like the way others are doing. So if he can form a voter, whatever security system to control these things, that will help us a lot. But Ebusia, it is very, very alarming the rate at which Igbos are doing things right now and running to Ghana. Now, let me tell you the reason why they are running to Ghana, okay? You know, say, most of them in Lagos State, their properties are being destroyed every now and then, okay? Their properties are being destroyed every now and then in Lagos State. Now, most of them are worried, and because of that, they feel like those in Ghana are giving those people out there in Lagos State that the Ghana is good, they can travel to Ghana and they can start business. Now, this is the reason why they are running to Ghana to start establishing whatever they want to do. Now, let me just send this word of caution out there. You guys think that Ghana is an easy ground to enter. Let me tell you that we really don't want to have all you guys Igbos running to Ghana instead of going back to your eastern or northeast or southwest, whatever you call it, in Nigeria to build that place. I'm sorry to tell you guys that the rate at which you guys are coming into our country, the Republic of Ghana, is too much, especially the Igbos. We really do not want to encounter you guys with your arrogance, with your way of disrespecting people and trying to talk back at people. We really don't want to have anything to do with you people now. No, so when I saw the van and I was being given the information out there, I was like, you know what? Just get me enough information as to what is going on. Now, Ebuja, let me tell you. According to my sources, allegedly, the van that was carrying the people that they saw are all Igbos leading their way to Accra, passing through Aflao. These people are heading to Chuku the Jude's house. For what reason? I told you guys yesterday that Chukwude Jude is planning to have a program. I don't know which program is that, because I know that his birthday is past, marriage, anniversary, whatever is past. But what again is he trying to do? And within this week, something will go on in his home. Allegedly, I'm hearing that Esan said they didn't allow him to celebrate, quote and unquote, the Yam so-called festival, and he was a little bit humiliated and felt like he need to do something. He's trying to organize something in his home. Now, this is the reason why this van is entering into Ghana with a lot of Igbos. And I understand that these Igbos that are coming are going straight to his home, allegedly. Now, I have questions to ask you. The question I'm asking is that, is the government of the day and the security apparatus aware that there's a van that is entering into Ghana and they are full of Igbos? If they are not aware, I'm raising the alarm right now to let them know that bunch of Igbos in a van full from Nigeria, from Igbo land, are entering into Ghana, and allegedly this van belongs to Chukwude Jude. The question you're asking is, what is going on and what is this guy looking for in Ghana? And why is he parading his people and bringing his people into Ghana? Is the government of the day aware? What is his aim? What is his plans? What actually is he planning to do? And why is it that now when you see people sitting in his home, a lot of Igbos are sitting around him? This is the reason why you see that the last time the video was circulating when they were having a meeting, this man is having about 15 Igbos sitting with him. Now he's trying to bring more. This is very, very alarming, guys. This issue is very, very, very alarming. Mr. John Dramani Mahama, the National Security Coordinator and the National Security Director and the Yoko Director and the Police CID and the Immigration Officer and whoever it is controlling the border, please, we can't allow people just to enter into Ghana, full of van coming to Ghana without knowing what their agenda was. Do we have their information as to what they are coming to do, as to whether they have to stay in 90 days or they leave after 90 days? Why are we doing this to ourselves? Ebusia. Now let me just give you something little ahead in Tamale, and I'm coming to talk about that Tamale issue in the next video. And guys, I thought that this thing is happening in Accra, but even in Tamale, Jesus Christ, you people have installed. I will talk about that later. Don't let me go there now. I will talk about the Tamale issue in my next video. But these people that are coming, I don't know why they are coming, okay? But they are going to Chukwude Jude's house. A van full of people, Igbos coming to Ghana, straight to going to Chukwude's house, or Igbos. Why? They don't have a place to go. Why? They've sacked them from their home. The fact that they are being, you see, the problem we are having now in Ghana is this: our president don't care, John Mahama. I don't know what actually is going on. What is going on here? Is it that we voted for you? Is it that we queued and voted for you patiently to swallow us with this kind of situations? Is it that we voted for you for all these things, Mr. Mahama? This is what I keep saying. Maybe perhaps nobody is telling you this, but if any national security coordinator, official coordinator, whatever is watching, please let Mahama know that Ghanaians are concerned that allegedly today there's a van full of Igbos heading to Ghana, and I understand the van belonged to Mr. Chukwudi. What is the reason? What is the purpose of those guys visiting? Why are they coming into Ghana? Why can't they go back to where they are coming from to go and build their place? Why is it that they want to use Ghana as their point of meeting and whatever? Why? What is going on here? We open up for all kinds of people, from criminal, from kidnappers, from money ritualists, all the way to wherever we can mention. And we are allowing all sort of people to enter. And then when they began to do so many things, we don't know what to do. Still, we are looking for the people who kidnapped these Senegalese. And we still don't know. You cannot pinpoint your hand on one country, but the only country we all know in West Africa that are very good in kidnapping people, they have a first degree and a doctorate degree in kidnapping people, is Nigeria, and to be precise, it's Igbos. So if we have them more coming into Ghana, that will be a problem for us. I've said it in my other videos that 2028 election will be the discussion around that election will be immigration purposes. We will not talk about economic whatever. We will not talk about dollar whatever. We'll be talking about who is ready to secure our borders. I'm telling you, this is not a joke. You are seeing this thing today as a joke. Tomorrow it will move to another phase. Any presidential candidate who is not ready to discuss immigration and discuss the influx of Igbos coming to Ghana, we will not vote for you. Yes, we will make sure you not get our vote. That is going to happen, because at the end of the day, if we don't do that, we have foreigners invading Ghana and we don't have a place to put our legs. That's basically what is going to happen. So I am saying, and I'm raising the alarm right now, Ghanaians and Togbe Afede, again I'm mentioning your name because these people are passing through the Volta region. Togbe, you have to do something about this. Van full of Igbos entering into Ghana. Where are they going? What is going on? What is it that we don't know? Can somebody explain to us where these guys are going? Why are they entering into Ghana? Why they are all Igbos? Why the van allegedly belong to Chukwude? Why Chukwude is bringing them to Ghana? We want to know. Did they have a meeting, Igbos meeting, or did they have Igbo summit, or what is it that they are trying to organize? I told you guys, the Igbos, when you check their record, go through Facebook, when you check their record, everything that is going on in Nigeria that is not making Nigeria to progress is from the Igbos. Check. So why are we trying to allow these kind of people who have destabilized their country to enter into Ghana? What do we want? Why do we want to sacrifice our country? Why do we want Ghana to have a bad name? Do you want to tell me we don't have a security checkpoint to check and see all these people coming to Ghana and ask them the reason why they are all Igbos and why they are in one van and who is inviting them to enter into Ghana, and understand that the van belongs to Chukwude? Guys, this thing is going beyond what you think. This thing is going beyond what you think. I was trying to make sure I get the number plate, but when they passed by and I was giving them filler, they are gone already. But I'm telling you guys that van full of Igbos, allegedly owned by Chukwude Jude, has entered into Ghana today. Why? We want to know.
Okay, now I know. So it is because they are destroying you guys' shops in Lagos. That's the reason why you are looking for location to run to. You think say Ghana na place you can come do your rubbish there, Abi? This guy said exactly what it is. Yes. Now when they cause problems in Nigeria, these Igbo people now when they cause trouble. Can you imagine them forming Biafra military and they are calling Nigerian military and terrorists? Can you imagine? If not be them, they cause trouble. Terrorists, they call our own army, Nigerian army, terrorists. See, make these people better return in their state and stop trooping into Ghana. This fake Igbo can be warned. This is the last time I'm going to warn you. You better stop this rubbish you are doing. If now they bring them to Ghana, stop it. Stop it. You cannot control many numbers of people. You know, if you enter with a positive mind, another person where they carry con Ghana with, no enter with positive mind, how would you know? That's the reason why they say, don't be bringing people in. Stop bringing people in because you cannot read everybody's mind. Look at how Ghanaians are suffering. You are making them become talkative, like talking too much online. But now you be the reason why. And for our humble President John Mahama, please, I beg, look into this, okay? Look into this. I beg you in the name of God. Ghanaian youth don't want their country to be like the way Nigeria is right now. That's the reason why they are fighting this hard, though, to stop these people from trooping in. If you have your reason of coming in, nobody will stop you because we are all West Africa. But most of them, you cannot predict what really they are coming here to do. You understand what I mean? Hey, they should stop. They should remain in their country. and fix their country, just like the way they said, of course, they should remain in their country. And especially men, those men that are running, you are running from your responsibility. If women are running and going to look for shelter, you too, you will run. You know, go stand fight. Guys, this is the news that got to us, and it's very, very annoying. If really is this fake Igbo king that is bringing these people here, then they really have to go to his house and bundle them back to Nigeria, or they should go and interrogate them and ask them the reason why they are coming in, because enough is enough. But we cannot be here. Our mind will just be doing. We run from Nigeria just to have our peace, and they are still following us. What kind of thing is this? If you are Biafra, pack your load, go back. Go back. If you are Biafra, Nigerians, that's who they need here. Abi, who knows Biafra? Or are you guys West Africa? If you are Biafra, are you West Africa? Have you registered? So what are you coming to Ghana today? You're beating your chest and be saying rubbish. You, this Biafra, are you West Africa? Have you registered for anything? You are there enjoying Nigeria, especially when they catch you committing crimes. You say you are in Nigeria. But if you are bragging about your tribe, you say you are Biafra. What kind of nonsense is that? Una cup don't fool. Una cup don't fool. You better carry your wahala go. We don't need you in Ghana. Okay? We are here to have peace of mind. And nobody is even saying you should not stay in Ghana. But if I stay in Ghana, follow by the rules and regulation of Ghana. That's just it. Guys, that's the news. So now the room is open for you to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Do also like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and from it. I love you guys. Always. So bye. Check it out. The flag. I carry and call Ninja. Bye, guys.